Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to indent text within a cell in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. We can see here many cell or data. Now we want to add the indent of a cell. Now I am select this cell. Then go to the home menu. Then we can see here the increase indent option or decrease indent. Now I am click the increase indent. We can see we increase the indent easily. You can decrease the indent. Otherwise, you can make the indent manually. Select the alignment setting go option and we can see here the indent is 0. You can add the indent number. Now I am make 4. Then click OK. Otherwise, you can use the ruler. Go to the view menu, enable the page layout option. Then we can see here show the ruler. You can using the indent, you can move the row and we can see we indent text within a cell easily. Now I am go to the normal option and check the preview. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.